17-year-old boys arrested after reported gun attack on elderly lady. 51-year-old shoemaker charged with murder after knife incident. St. James man charged with rape of 15-year-old girl. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Two cousins have been arrested and charged following an incident in Betheltown in Westmoreland on Saturday, December 2nd. The juveniles, who are both 17 years of age, have been charged with assault at common law and possession of a prohibited weapon. Reports from the Betheltown police are that at about 11 a.m., both boys were traveling on a motorcycle when one of them pulled a firearm from his waistband and pointed it at an elderly female. A report was made to the police and one of the boys were taken into custody. The other boy was accompanied by a relative to the police station. Both boys have since been charged. Their court date is being finalized. A 51-year-old shoemaker was charged with the murder of 33-year-old Kevin Thompson, who was killed along North Odin, Kingston 10 on Tuesday, November 28. Charge is Donovan Nooks of John Street, Kingston 12. Reports from the Halfway Tree police are that about 10:45 a.m., an argument developed between the two men and a tussle ensued when Nooks took a knife to inflict several stab wounds to Thompson. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The St. James police have led charges against a 32-year-old man accused of raping a 15-year-old student. The man has also been charged with producing sex tapes of his assault of the teenager over a 3-year period. More details to come following further investigations.